We are officially on the home stretch. With just 3 weeks to go until we set sail on our 6,000 nautical mile journey from North Germany to South Alabama, Mike and I are buried in work and bursting with excitement. We took our kids on a short European vacation because we needed that time with them before embarking on the journey that will take somewhere between 6 and 8 months to complete. It was so nice to have this special time with them, and it was especially wonderful to have them help me celebrate my 51st birthday. We will miss them so much. But even during our holiday, there was much work to be done. We took a short break and traveled to Stralsund and checked on SEEFALKE. Stralsund is a very special place to us. On Germany's Hanseatic Baltic coast, the medieval town of Stralsund sits directly on the shore of Stralsund, a narrow strip of the Baltic Sea which separates the island of Rügen from the mainland. The town was originally used as a maritime merchant trading place. You can read all about this awesome destination on our website. Please follow the link in the description below to learn more about Stralsund. We have mechanics and electricians very busy giving SEEFALKE a complete system overhaul. Our 11-ton Dutch-designed steel ketch was built for rough Baltic Sea and North Sea conditions and long offshore blue water journeys.
And here she is, our beauty sailing yacht SEEFALKE, a 2-mast steel ketch, 43 feet long, designed and built for the Northern Oceans, and now upgraded for our journey across the Atlantic.
SEEFALKE was built in 1974. She is sturdy and seaworthy, but was way overdue for a new autopilot and plotter, a data bus system, wind-powered generator, and serious rewiring. Believe it or not, this is what progress looks like. We are working on a detailed inventory of each locker and trying to make decisions about where to store things. It's important that our safety, navigation, and communication equipment is close to the cockpit and easily accessible. We're here in Stralsund, and we've been here all weekend. We had a short break from our vacation with the kids, and we got a lot of work done. I did a lot of nesting, because this will be our home for the next 8 months, and so trying to figure out where we put our personal items, and Mike's been working on all the safety equipment and communication equipment and all the other things that we need to make room for on the boat. We've hauled away a few trash bags, got rid of a few things.
Okay.
Yes, more. And the electricians were here, and they actually made a lot of progress. You might not be able to tell from the photos and the other video, but we made some strides.
Oh yeah.
We're going to be ready. Don't you think?
The countdown's on.
Yes, the countdown is on. So we're about 3 or 4 weeks away, and we're going to be ready. We feel good. We got a lot done. We accomplished a lot over the weekend, but the to-do list continues to grow. I must admit, it was difficult for me to say goodbye, for now, to our apartment in Halle. I was just sitting out here in the garden at our apartment in Halle, and I was just thinking about how I won't see this place again till probably March or April of next year. So we're continuing on our vacation with the kids. We're spending some time with them before we set sail, and then the kids and I will go back to Alabama, and I'll get the puppies ready and get myself ready and make sure that I talk with all my clients and get all my work in order. And the Beagles and I will be coming back to Frankfurt in just a few weeks. And in the meantime, Mike will be going back to Stralsund to work on the boat, and then we'll be ready to set sail. But it just kind of hit me that this is the last time I'll see our sweet apartment here in Halle for almost a year. And it's getting real, y'all. It's getting real. In our next video blog, I will wrap up my tasks in the U.S. and say goodbye to all my friends in Gulf Shores. I will truly miss them, but it's so cool that they are rooting for us and following our journey so closely. Captain Jack and Scout and I will travel to Germany, where we will meet Mike in Stralsund to finish all the final details, and finally, we will set sail on a journey that will take us across the Atlantic from the Baltic Sea to Bon Secours Bay. We sincerely hope that you will come along with us.